we'll guide you through how to manage Namecheap DNS settings efficiently and effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard and click on the Domain List tab on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of all your registered domains. Find the domain you want to manage and click the Manage button next to it. This will take you to the Domain Details page. Now, locate the DNS and Redirects tab, which you can find near the top of the page. Click on it to enter the DNS Settings section. In this section, you can manage your Namecheap Basic DNS, Third-Party DNS, or Custom DNS. If you need to add a new record, look for the Add New Record button. Click it, and you can choose the type of DNS record you want to add, such as a record, CNAME record, or MX record, among others. Enter the necessary details for the record, like the hostname and the value, then click the green checkmark to save your changes. If you need to edit an existing record, simply click the edit icon next to it, make your changes, and then click the checkmark to save. Remember that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, usually within 24 to 48 hours. If you need to switch to a different DNS provider, you can change the name servers by selecting Custom DNS and entering the new name server details provided by your provider. Don't forget to save your changes. Always double-check your entries to avoid any DNS-related issues. And that's it. You've successfully managed your Namecheap DNS settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.